Are you awake? No? Why'd you do that?
I was waving at her and then she
was
trying to wave and then she smacked me in the face.
Smack me in the face, you goofball. Can you
Bug.
say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, Bug, who are we gonna go see today? Who are we gonna go see today?
Are you gonna see Grandma? You gonna see Grandma? Grandma?
Who are we gonna go see today,
and
Bug?
Grandpa and uncles? And maybe there's toys and presents under the tree. Are you thirsty and hungry? Okay, let's go get breakfast. Wave bye to Dada.
Bye-bye.